If you're already using a chimney, you know that with Indian food, scrubbing oil out of a chimney filter is painful, and that is why filterless auto clean chimneys are gaining popularity. But the market is completely flooded right now with hundreds of chimneys. So I analyzed these chimneys across various brands to help guide you in a step-by-step way how to choose the right size, shape, and power for your kitchen layout and your cooking style. The first thing to decide is the size you will need. There are three main sizes: 60, 75, and 90 centimeters. Typically, the size of the chimney should be the same or larger than the size of your stove. 60 centimeter kitchen chimney is the most popular size. Most of the same models I will recommend are available in 75 and 90 centimeters as well. Now, many people make the mistake of mounting their kitchen chimneys too high from the stove, which affects the overall suction. Make sure to mount the kitchen chimney a maximum of 60 to 80 centimeters higher than the stove or the hob. The next thing to decide is the shape. There are three choices these days. T-shaped chimneys are modern, blends well with modular kitchens, and are generally the lowest price. Curved glass chimneys are traditional looking and sits in the middle range from a pricing point of view. And angular or slant chimneys look ultra premium and also are the most expensive. T-shaped and curved chimneys sit directly over your stove, so they are very efficient at trapping smoke from cooking and frying. Angular chimneys solve a common problem for taller people bumping their head to the chimney. But because they have to pull smoke diagonally, they have to work a little bit harder. So if you prefer an angular chimney, go with a slightly higher suction power. At the end of the day, your selection will depend on your personal design preference, your cooking patterns, as well as your kitchen size. In addition to the shape of the chimney, ducted versus ductless chimneys are a common decision factor. If you fry quite a bit in your kitchen or use ingredients with strong smells like fish, then a ducted chimney would be a better option. Otherwise, a ductless chimney is quite sufficient, especially for rental homes, so that it is easier to move. But these days, there are not many chimneys that have a ductless option. Some that do claim to be both ducted and ductless and need you to purchase the carbon filters separately from the brand. And more often than not, those filters are out of stock. So I don't recommend going with these as an option for ductless, as these carbon filters need frequent replacement. You can instead consider a ductless chimney that is designed as a ductless chimney, like the Beyond Appliance Cube Chimney or the Koche Chimney. Since these are designed as ductless chimney from the scratch, so there is no issue of filter availability. Now that you have decided the size and shape that is right for you, the next thing to decide is the suction capacity. There are three main rules when you're deciding the suction capacity for your kitchen. First, if your kitchen is large, above 200 square feet, go for a higher suction power between 1200 to 1400 cubic meter per hour. If you have an open kitchen, go for the largest suction capacity, 1400 cubic meter per hour and above. If your vent has too many bends, more than two, then go for a larger suction capacity. If your cooking involves a lot of frying or use of oil, go for a larger suction capacity. If you're choosing an angular chimney, go for the highest suction capacity than the required suction from the above decision parameters. 1200 cubic meter per hour is the most common suction power and is sufficient for most of us. But if you meet any of the criteria that we discussed, then it is better to go for a higher suction power. Now, due to suction, kitchen chimneys do make noise between 55 to 60 decibels, while the published noise levels are the same. Hindware chimneys generally have the least noise compared to other chimneys. Now, BLDC chimneys are becoming more popular these days, and they have the typical benefits of BLDC motors: lesser noise, 50% power savings, and better suction power. They also give more control over the speed compared to other chimneys. Previously, BLDC chimneys were more expensive, but in 2026, their pricing is comparable to non-BLDC chimneys. Only the chimneys that you see on the screen are BLDC chimneys. Now let's discuss some value features. Gesture control, which helps you to change the speeds of the chimney without touching the glass with oily hands, are somewhat default in many chimneys these days, except the ones that you see on the screen. A handful of chimneys have remote control feature as well. Not sure how that is of any use for a chimney specifically, as we are anyway near the chimney when we are operating it. By the nature of the technology, majority of filterless chimneys have auto clean function, which automatically starts the cleaning after about 30 hours of usage and collects oil in the oil collector. Some also provide an extra button using which you can start manual auto cleaning. The excess oil from the auto clean process and regular use is collected in an oil collector, which can be easily washed with hot water or in the dishwasher. But it is a common misconception that these auto-clean chimneys don't need regular maintenance. They actually do. A regular cleaning once in 3 months and a deep cleaning by a technician once in 6 to 12 months is recommended. Such cleaning costs anywhere between 500 to 700 rupees. Warranty in general is 1 to 2 years with additional warranty that is given on the motor. Elica gives 15 years on the motor while Faber gives 10 years on the motor, which are the best. Rest of the brands give between 5 to 10 years. After doing a sentiment analysis of thousands of reviews across these brands I've reviewed, Elica, Faber, Glen, CAF and Hindware have the best service satisfaction. Some new brands in this space like Cadillac, Beyond Appliances, Koche, Sujata don't have enough reviews to analyze the sentiment of the users yet. So now that we understand how to shortlist the best chimneys, let's get to my recommendations. Since there are hundreds of filterless kitchen chimneys I've researched, I'll classify them by type and then by suction power. Let's start with angular kitchen chimneys, which are the most popular these days in modern kitchens. For small to medium sized kitchens with low to medium level of oil usage and less bends in the exhaust vent, up to a 1350 cubic meter per hour suction power is more than sufficient. My first recommendation is the Elica Kitty Angular Kitchen Chimney. With a 1200 cubic meter per hour suction power, touch and gesture controls as well as auto clean function, this chimney is ideal for compact kitchens. Elica offers the best warranty of 15 years on their kitchen chimneys. Next is the Faber Hood Mojito. This is an angular kitchen chimney as well. Similar to the Elica model, this has a 1200 cubic meter per hour suction power, touch and gesture controls and the auto clean function. Faber has one of the widest range of kitchen chimneys and service network is reliable. So it is a good buy, especially in non-urban areas. Next is the Hindware Skyla Neo Angular Kitchen Chimney with a slightly higher suction power of 1350 cubic meter per hour. So better for heavy oil usage or for kitchens with extra bends in their vents. Hindware has a 10-year warranty on the motor and the service network is reliable. For large or open kitchens, go with a 1500 cubic meter per hour and above chimney, preferably BLDC chimneys to reduce the noise level traveling to other areas of the house. My first recommendation here is the Elica BLDC Angular Chimney. The combination of BLDC and high suction makes this a high performance angular chimney. But the combination also makes the pricing higher than others. Being a BLDC chimney, it comes with 9 speed controls, giving you more control over the suction and noise levels of the chimney. At an almost similar price is the Faber Energy BLDC Angular Chimney. The 1500 cubic meter per hour suction power is more than enough for heavy Indian tadka as well. While BLDC motors are more energy efficient, considering home chimneys are not used for very long duration, the savings are marginal, but they're savings nonetheless. Now let's discuss T-shaped kitchen chimneys. I have 2 recommendations for you here. First is the Elica FL600 and its higher suction power variant as well. This also comes with a similar name as well as similar pricing. This Elica chimney comes in 1350 and 1500 cubic meter per hour suction power. So you can select one based on your individual needs. The lower suction power comes with a 10-year warranty while the higher suction power one comes with a 15 years warranty. Both of these can be converted to a ductless chimney as well with the addition of charcoal filters. But like I mentioned earlier, it is always better to go with a native ductless kitchen chimney which can then ensure the availability of replacement filters. Overall, both give a good value on a similar budget. And lastly, the Faber Ignis 1500 cubic meter per hour T-shaped kitchen chimney. With a heavy duty suction power and a sleek aesthetic, this is suitable for open kitchens as well, as it can clear out strong odors and heavy oil vapor before drifting into other parts of the house. This chimney comes with a 12-year warranty on the motor, but since it is non-BLDC, the noise levels are slightly higher. I don't have a better BLDC recommendation in the T-shaped chimneys this year due to non-availability of good products in that segment. Lastly, let's discuss the curved shaped chimneys. Like I mentioned earlier, curved chimneys are in the middle level from a pricing point of view compared to angular and T-shaped chimneys. For small to medium sized kitchens with low to medium level of oil usage and less bends in the exhaust vent, like I said earlier, up to 1350 cubic meter per hour suction power is sufficient. My first recommendation here is the Faber Hood Venice. The curved design traps rising smoke and vapors better than angular models, making even the 1200 cubic meter per hour motor quite effective. But this lacks the modern premium visuals of the angular kitchen chimneys. This model comes with an 8-year warranty from Faber and service of Faber is quite reliable. Next is the Ventair Auto Queen curved chimney. If you are on a budget, this is a good option to consider. Even at this budget, it has a filterless auto clean design with motion sensor operation for contactless changes of speed. Like I highlighted earlier, after sale service can be flaky and dependent on your location. Next is the Elica model you see on the screen. It is an auto clean, filterless kitchen chimney. This comes with a 15-year warranty on the motor that Elica is typically known for. With a higher suction power of 1350 cubic meter per hour, it is suitable for heavy duty cooking with a 3 to 4 burner stove or hob of about 60 centimeters. There's a BLDC version of this model as well, which has a slightly higher suction power of 1425 cubic meter per hour and comes with 9 speed settings that BLDC motors are known for. At a slightly higher price, you may want to consider this for a more efficient chimney. If you're looking for something fancy, you can consider the Beyond Appliances Asteria curved kitchen chimney. You can use the tablet on the chimney to browse through the media, look for recipes, shop, or even listen to music while cooking. Beyond is still a new brand and are still setting up their serviceability, so look for that in your area before purchasing. For large chimneys or open kitchens, go with a 1500 cubic meter per hour and above chimney and preferably BLDC to reduce the noise level traveling to other areas of the house. My first recommendation is the Elica model you see on the screen. Similar to the models recommended in the angular and T-shaped chimneys, this 1500 cubic meter per hour BLDC motor chimney delivers high suction while being quiet and is more efficient than other motors, ideal for open kitchen. It comes with a 15-year warranty that Elica is known for. Next is the Faber Agile BLDC Auto Clean Curved Kitchen Chimney. Similar features as the Elica chimney recommended, BLDC 1500 cubic meter per hour, auto clean, filterless with built-in oil collector. It comes with a shorter 8-year warranty though, but with comparable or even better service network. Lastly, the Glen Hood Rika on a budget. This offers comparable functionality as Elica and Faber but at about 10% lower pricing. It comes with a shorter warranty compared to Faber as well, 7 years on the motor. A not too frequent but worth noting drawback highlighted by many users is that there is a delay or missed gesture control operations. Let's talk about ductless chimney. Like I said earlier, if you're looking for a ductless chimney, better to go with a product that is natively ductless, not one that can be converted to ductless with other extra filters. So in that segment, I have one recommendation for you, and that is the Beyond Appliances Plug and Play Kitchen Chimney. This has a 1400 cubic meter per hour suction power, high enough to push smoke through the thick 5-stage charcoal filter. Unlike other ductless models which require filter changes every 3 to 6 months, this one can last for 4 years and is covered under warranty. If you're looking for a zero core cutting plug and play chimney, this is the right choice for you. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 2 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.